Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to take multiple inputs on single line in Python for strings. So let's start. So friends, first we will see multiple inputs for strings which are separated with space, and then uh, strings which are separated with comma. So to do this, I will use split function to take input. So I can write here split function. Now let's learn this with a simple example. So here I want to take two inputs, one single line. So I have to declare two variables here as a and b, and then I will take input. So I will use here input function, and then after writing this input, I will write split function by separating a dot reference. So I can write here split. Suppose I want to give here and comment for user, which is as a comment here. So now I will print these two numbers, print a, and second number is b. Here I will write and then b. Let's save this and run this code. So here it will ask for two strings. Let's take two strings here as a input. So I will take any two random number names as a input. So takes first name as Roshan and the second name as Nayan. Both of these are strings with space separated. Then press enter key to see output. Here is the output as Roshan and Nayan. These two strings are stored in these two variables a and b. Now let's suppose I want to take three or four string as a input. So I will simply declare four variables. So let's take c and d as a input. Now save this code and again run. It will ask for string, so I will write here four strings. So I will write here any four strings, random strings. So let's take dog, second cat, fan, and cycle here. So here I have written four strings with space separated, which will be input, and now press enter key to see output. Here is the output as these four strings will be stored in these four variables, which will be output here. Now suppose I want to take this input with comma separated. So I will take here simple example. Let's copy the first one and then paste here. First I will comment out this. I want only two inputs, so I will give only two variables, and then to take input with comma separated, I have to only pass comma as argument for this split function. So I will write here comma string, which will be work as a separator between these two strings. So let's save this code and run. Here it will ask for two inputs with comma separated. So I will give here two inputs as first one is Python, and the second one is Java with comma separated, and here is the output. these two strings. So in this way friends, we can take multiple inputs on single line for strings in Python using split function. So thank you friends for watching this video.